Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Verdant Garden, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to bring in our Big Shot. And I have a piece of champagne foil, and I'm using the stitch nested shapes. And then I also have a piece of soft sea foam, and I have new plates. Alright, so we're going to run this through. Alright, and that's all that we're using the Big Shot for, so we'll take that out of the way. No more branding plates. Alright. Alright, and we're going to use both of these pieces. Alright. I have a piece from the Garden Lane Designer Series paper, and I'm going to adhere this down. Our card base is mint macaron, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this down. I'm just going to put this down with some SNAIL adhesive. And I thought it would make a nice wedding card. Do y'all have a lot of weddings to go to in the summertime? We got quite a bit. Alright. That looks kind of cute just like that too. Alright, and then we're just going to line this up. So, just like that. Alright, so we're going to do our stamping. I'm bringing in mint macaron. And then we are using the Verdant Garden, and we're going to be using Here's to a Wonderful Couple and All the Happiness You'll Share Together, and these flowers. I thought those were really cool. So, alright, I have the front sentiment mounted on clear block D. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my flowers, and I'm going to put them in the bottom left and the top right. And I'm going to turn my block a little. This is also mounted on clear block D. So just like that, and then our sentiment for the inside is mounted on clear block B. Alright, that's all the stamping we're doing. I'm going to go ahead and adhere our mint macaron onto our champagne foil sheet. Let's see if I can get this there nice and straight. All right, we'll put this on the front with some Stampin' Dimensionals. I think 5 should be good. Let me make sure this is even. All right, and then I have some rhinestones. I'm gonna add well, we'll worry about that one later. You know what? Let me get something besides my bone folder. Let's see. Here's my paper piercer. Have that handy. All right, just like that. Thanks for watching, and if you need a quick and simple wedding card, please click on my online store. All the supplies are listed there.